आपने जैसे बताया था जीत को दिखाने की, बहुत को लगता है कि एक इस तरह का धर्म के बाद, ये धर्म की बात नहीं है, कल्चर की बात है। जैसे मैं आपको ये बात बता दूं कि हमारी टिबेटन और हिमालयन कम्युनिटी में इस तरह का जैसे एक
on how selected media houses in India and abroad and individuals including fake profiles on social media are presenting this media driven life of abstraction event of 87-year-old celibate, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama.
His Holiness is doing very well in terms of his physical health, mental and spiritual health. So he's doing well, and we hope that he will be continuing to live with us.
Problem in coming future, especially with the reincarnation of the 14th Dalai Lama, because it will be a huge game that China could play, and we do recognize that. I think the international community, especially the international leadership, do know that it will happen. So what we're saying is, so far, in the past, it's always been a religious matter that has been taken care by the Dalai Lama and his office, and so will it happen in future. And that China has got nothing to do with it. Chinese Communist Party and its leadership has got nothing to do with this matter at all.
Well, the latest announcement that His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama has made is a reassurance and, if I can say, acceptance of the repeated requests and appeals made towards him by his followers in India, everywhere across the world, but most importantly, Tibet. So I believe that it's because of the fact that he wants to push and worried about the abuses that many young children and women face on a daily basis. But this issue is not about the, like expressing your own personal outcry, but judging this one individual and his image and his expression of his uncontaminated affection for over 86 years.
Chinese Communist Party to make such a statement, it does not surprise me. We were expecting that sort of statement from them, especially after His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, through his reaffirmation yesterday, clarified that no one, especially Chinese government, has no say in the succession of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. So
and how sad that on social media there are people falling for such accusation. Hasn't done any research about His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama and the extensive work that he's done and what he means, not just to the Tibetans, but to the entire Himalayan regions, what he means to us. Do they know that? So please, let me repeat it again. It is a political issue. And Chinese Communist Party has repeated.
I felt the lack of absence of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama in the gathering. And we know that he is the religious Buddhist leader of the world, and to see him not present at the event was slightly saddening, if I can put it that way, because as Honorable Prime Minister mentioned that Bharat ne duniya ko youth nahi buddh diya hai. I honestly believe that, and the focus.
क्योंकि चाइना नहीं मानते कि वो एक terrorist है. So we have to understand how do they define. Tibetans जो है, जो non-violent active movement में मानते हैं, वो हमें terrorist बुलाते हैं. His Holiness the Dalai Lama जो dialogue के base पर Tibet issue को solve करना चाहते हैं, उनके ऊपर किस तरह का नाम से बुलाते हैं. So we have to understand कि China किस तरह का government है. और
performed many important responsibilities with the support and actually the responsibility of the Indian parliamentarians, including the actual presence and speech by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama at the Indian Parliament House Annex in 1995 and 2005. So I think those are very, but the reality remains that the authority in terms of the reincarnation of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama shall be decided by himself, and we have heard on multiple records of what His Holiness wants, and it'll be entirely his own decision, nobody else, especially no one who has any sort of link with Chinese government whatsoever. So
it is obvious that it will happen. Current Member of Parliament Lagari Namgal Dolkar says the announcement ends years of uncertainty.
We need that figure who will continue to remind us of who we are.
The Dalai Lama has become
My parents, and to them by theirs, my country is Tibet, land of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, the land for the Tibetan community inside Tibet or in the free country. The health of His Holiness Dalai Lama is utmost importance for us at the moment, and that was the reason why, long before the China COVID-19 was declared pandemic, His Holiness stopped giving audiences. So that was a very, very good move by the Office of His Holiness, and I'm grateful for that move that they've taken. And it was just always momentum for the Tibetan community and the Buddhist communities across the world, and those individuals who admire him so much, to receive this affirmation from His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama that the institution of Dalai Lama shall.
We are currently in a celebration mode. We are trying to celebrate His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama's 90th birthday and celebrating that he will live many more years with us to continue the amazing work that he's been doing so far. This is actually the mood in terms of that. However, when it comes to the reincarnation, it is, as I mentioned earlier, it's entirely his decision. In whatever form, wherever he wishes to be born, he's made it very clear that I must highlight that he's made it very clear that he'll be born in the free world. So this is all we know of, that he can come in any form, he can come wherever he wants, but he's made it very clear that it is certainly not under the occupation of China, and that we're hoping that it will be a free Tibet. However, if that is not the case, it will certainly not be occupied Tibet under the Chinese Communist Party's regime.
이렇게 해서 첩식도하는 차찬에 gyana shungi jamsu 탑시 나서 제발했디 배바 켜네 달라 막하듯이 때되게 어리 이 저것은 찍찍이 토하는 용 되게 어리 죄송아 저상 가능할 때 전절을 용해 배가 참으러 아주 저것은 야매버지 찍찍이 자들 계시모리 그버린 아주 론생그 토하네 지기 야 텐지르 chen 아주 암두이 아주 의상이 아주 배 카바인 사로 chen 아 그버린 데도 이것도가 돼 먹어래